because umuntu onamadlozi utahamba nawo unoma abantu abadala utahamba nawo umzwa bodla athi khuluma khokho kodwa bengakhuluma nawo kodwa manje sokuyabhodla uthini and wena nomfuna ukukhuluma yenza njalo uthi yes ukuthi uyinikeze iplatform akasakhulumi nawe kodwa bekakhuluma nawe ingaqala ikhulume lento ngaphakathi kwa uyayithulisa imisindo awuzwe kangcono lo msindo so thina uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma nathi siyehluleka ukubathulisa abaduzane nathi because we are trying to be good. That's not goodness. The laws of goodness says God first, the world later. God first, God later. God first, the glory of men later. Lobo kuza nabantu kuza kodwa kuza emva kwale phimbo lika Jehova. The phimbo likabani? I'm learning something here. Ngaze ngiyakhapha phela mina. Ngiyangazi mose. Ngiyoyeka phela mina ngizwa. Ngiyangizwa kodwa. Nesi ngathani ngathi. Mama zanga angize ngijuluke. Fana Bogatti. Yakulunga phela ngiyangizwa la. Yakulunga phela mama zanga. Ngiyona iphuma le. Even when it's costly, even when it is. Okay, now Romans 12 verse number 21, we become good to overcome evil. We don't become good because of evil. We become good to overcome evil. Our goodness is not triggered by the presence of evil. Our goodness is cultivated by the presence of God, not the presence of evil. So ukwenza kahle akuphakanyiswa ukuthi kunabantu ababi benzi bokuba bangithinti mina abantu abangenza into engathi ayikho right abangenza ukuthi ngenze kahle bengivele ngizowenza kahle fangisa kaphangeka noma kathiwa bona bebenza noma bebana bengivele mina ngizowenza. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not waiting for you ukuthi ubone amanye amasonto athandaza bese uthi nami ngesontweni lami ngiyakothanda awufuni ukubona kufa abantu bese ngikhala ukuthi yazi indaba yokuthandaza ngifuna ukuyithatha serious. No, that's not it. That's not how you move heaven. Izulu limuva kungakenzeki next. Izulu uyakulithi come near to me, draw nearer to me. James chapter number 4, I will draw nearer to you. He didn't invoke the devil. He said come to me, I will come to you. Not because of problems. So we are good even when inkinga zingekho, even when inkinga zi. Romans 12 verse number 21 shows that goodness is not passive, but it's a spiritual force that confronts and disarms evil through righteous action. Through righteous. So the acts are not controlled by evil, but the righteous acts are not controlled by the evil or the presence of evil. The righteous acts are controlled by the God who moves us into spheres where there is evil. So when I'm doing good, it is God parading before evil using me. Jesus. Ngifuna lento uyi-understand ngalendlela ngiqonda ngayo. So mangenza okuhle ngingakathintwa ngokubi kusuke kuNkulunkulu aparate ngami phambi kwesitha. Ngiyangizwa mase. Hayi because of isitha phambi kwani dekitafula phambi kwesitha. Ngiyangizwa mase. Le tafula ayikubeke kalideke bekazolideka. It's just that uthe makaliseta zaba khona. What no, I will do it while they are here. He doesn't just invite them. Bese invite wena. The table was set. Abizindodana yakhe bavela nabo ngoba bahlezi bakulandela and they are monitoring spirit. So wherever you go they will go. So it's not that God ubalande bonakala so prove the point bekabize wena bakulandela uJehova uyaqhubeka nanoma bakulandela. It's time to show them ukuthi no bangenza ini embi yena uyoqhubeka enzo kuhle. The Bible didn't say uteka itafula phambi kwezitha zami ngithi mangidladile nazo. So wena uthakade itafula phambi kwezitha zakho ukuze wena uzodila nazo. Akabali lokwezithu ba. nina nifunda njani iBhayibheli lithi udeka itafula phambi kwani kwezitha zabo nidle angisho mosilindo like nasho lathi dila nazo no masidla siyahla izitha siyodila nazo but manje senza njani so ukudla kwami akusingoba kulaywa izitha zami ukudla kwami bekuzovela nanoma izitha zingekho ngiyalizwa kodwa. So because now we only, I don't know, we are channeled to think in a stereotype way. That's a lie. God doesn't bless us because of our enemies. God blessed us because He wanted to bless us. We have been blessed from the beginning, then we fail. Then when He blesses us, He's reminding us say bonus logo kuza ngezitho. Say bonus. Now here's the attack now. When you act now in goodness, even when it is costly. There's what we call cynicism. 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 Says what? It is the belief that it's kind of say goodness as because the world is corrupt. Ubasizana nabantu sis, abantu bakhohlakele. Beyazi nayo le action le statement less. Abantu bakhohlakele ubasiza umuntu. Abantu bakho umntana kaNkulunkulu wena. That's how you evangelize. Helping people. That's how you evangelize. Reaching out. That's how you evangelize. Being a good Samaritan. That's how you evangelize. That's how you evangelize. So masikasa siza abantu lindo si evangelize njani? Because evangelize what Jesus Bible noma bekashumayela kwavela umuntu ongabona. Did Jesus continue to preach? No, wema wamphilisa waqhubana neshumayela. Lithi wathi yashubana ngenye imini bavula uphahla ngisho mos kwehla bebehlisa indoda ngisho wenza njani Jesu waqhubeka? No, wamisa ishumayela wenza njani? Wenza okuhle. Did He expect anything from the man? No. If your drive to do good is money, you have already failed. You have already. That's good. Cynicism is the belief that good intentions are useless because the world is corrupt. I'm going to tell you this. The one that's got Israel is corrupt. Because we are different. Because you are. Because we are different. Mnenganga advisor bomntana amufuna ukushada. Bathi umfundise ngemali. Kodwa umshado uyala. Bathi thenga isilolana. Idina or lo lencane. Men will come. Now ngakuneza that advice there. Yabona kubantu lokuncane lokho okuncane lokho sibonakala ku trend that these days ushayise ipolo golf wathi sibone lo lelo thengelo lengabe uzobona amadoda azizela ubona seke emeduzana le lori ahamba nayo so ngabothi indoda ikhona lapha thengelo lencane mathenga ipolo bazoyithatha thengelo lokho ngumncane ongakho uma wanthana wathi kodwa ya amadoda azozizela bakhathazela Antoine futhi nomanye town abangibona uzowabona parking lot babuka imoto yakho athayibo yilona ingalunga le ngithwale ngayo inkuni yenza ngayo business balindele ukuthi kuzindoda bazoyibuza ukuthi ithenge phi ushadile manje baba ngisekhona ushadile manje ukutshana manje lo ngamtshela lokunjani manje faka ke wena ama makeup uma uyivuye town kanti uzobuya nendoda ngawubuye nendoda ufuna uyobuya nomuntu ofuna ukulala nawe Tennislolan into encane njengaka I'm telling you nomthenga ivan madoda wabona sekameduzana nawe sekayibuka so yakho umnazi wakho etshala upindezwana yakho le umnazana uwe uwe I'm the one I own this one then men will respect you then men when they come to you they'll talk to you as a woman abangaka naye niyangizwa kodwa nina kanti nathola umfundisi onjani umthiphisa njani lingenzi bathi angifuna ukushada lingenzi bathi angifuna ukushada ngoba kuyofaka amaveni la ngaphandle la namalori ngoJanuary next year lingenzi bathi angifuna ukushada ngoba ngizokubuza mntu uyithenge njani iveni wena babona bawufuna Mercedes wena hayi iveni uthenge njani iveni yakubona ufuna ukushada thatha advice thatha ini. Let me continue to teach you. Cynicism now tells you that useless ukuba good. The world is corrupt. The world is azathi umuntu ubad ngoba bantu ba bad. Mina I can't be bad because ba bad. Bafundisi ba bad abala bafundisa ngala. So mina ngitshela ukuthi angibe bad ngoba bafundisi ba bad. Uyabona ukuthi ngeke kulunga. No, I have to be different. When I'm different, that's when I'm going to win. If I follow them, I'm not going to win. Because when they are already educated and they are already experienced in the field. Now we are again. So if I'm on my own land and my own ground, I'll continue to win. That is why I'm winning. Bahamba namanzi, bahamba namafuta, bahamba nazo zonke lezinto. Mina ngiyimele noJesu nomoya ongcwele nomthandazo, ne-fasting, ne-prayer. That is why I'm winning. That is why I am. Base bathi ngithwela, angithwalanga. Ngihleli noJesu. Ngihleli nobani? That's God. That's God. So now we must continue to do good, to overcome evil. To overcome what? Evil. Cynicism tries to silence goodness by convincing a person that goodness cannot win. Now ndiyabona ukuthi nasemjolweni ndiyabona la kusiphatha kahle akusebenzi. Nama ngicheat. Niya preventa phela mina noma ngacheat angeke abone. Ayisebenzi lento yakhe. Sasa senasizwa iprep nasizwa nokupreventa nomjovo. Yey nina. Don't be bad because the person is being bad. Don't be bad because the person is bad. Don't do it. But ungaqhubeka sizokungwapha. Siyabadinga phela abantu ezobabuka kujukujuku phela ni omunye akaqhubeke omunye ayeke. Kuyafana manje noma ngantshela ukuthi yekani nizoqhubeka. So sengicela laba bo4. Uyabona musi. Baqhubeke. Nina banike nishintshe kodwa laba aba4 bangenza njani? Because umoya omuhle uhlezi ukhona vele. Noma uyafuna noma ufuni kunomntana wakho nje oyi1. Uyoba ihlonga ndlebe. Oyi1 bakhona nje abanye bazilunge uzumbuzo ukuthi why ungafani nalo? Ubheka nje lena. Oyi1. May God help us in the name of Jesus. Goodness is the visible expression of the invisible character of God via the Son of Elohim. It is the visible expression of the invisible character. Sibona uNkulunkulu ngawe when you become good. That's how people see God in us when we become good, when we're being good. God himself is the ultimate definition of goodness, right? So when you are good, you are becoming the living nature yaNkulunkulu. So verse ubaba ke manje. Mina ngisakhula ngifundiswe lezi zinto lezi ngakho nginamandla manje. That's what makes me powerful now. I was not taught fire. Fire came as the revelation, and from the revelation of the information I had. So the influx of information I received produced the revelation of fire. Good person yabo ke that's what lento enyenza inos yiyo lento ekwenza ukuthi ube grounded when you have power. Power corrupts baba. Masunamandla uwisa abantu. I watched my videos from 2017. There's another account on YouTube. I can't give you the link. Another account on YouTube. Nabi power. All in the City. Ipower lapho yayenza ngizwe nothando ngithole kahle sengingasayenzi lento uNkulunkulu selangikhulisile nganginankinga nepower ngivele ngithi ubona madoda. That's how power corrupts. Once you have power, I was going to keep it. I thought abafundisi who were doing this manamanga ngeke umuntu umuyise wenza so bayasenza labantu until I received that kind of a power, and then I was like, oh ubona madoda ngathi banamanga awuthingizela ngathi ubona ngapha you know, I was watching the video the other day and I was like, I was watching myself like this. This is pride. This is pride. I was saying, what? It's on. Power corrupts. Power corrupts. Telling you the truth. Power corrupts. And you let the ones who are here to ngoba uthi awu umuntu usibaphila nje so angqhubeke. That doesn't mean God approves of it. He doesn't approve of it. That's your ego working with the anointing now, and it corrupts the anointing. So you have to learn. So the more I do fasting and prayer, God will correct you. Love your papa. Love absasimle so ya papa. Ukubla uJesu wathi wona wenza lento le. no but baba kwenzekile mama musi but athi ngikuphi la uJesu enza khona lento le bese uyabona ukuthi ayikho ezwini because wazana lendlela bashawuda ngayo nawe ungazi uqhubeke because wazana bashaya izandla bawenza lento le bathi amandla lapha umfanyana kodwa amandla bathi uyabona nawe masihleli phansi buka le video ukuthi phela ubaba Muslim ngenza so uthi awe avuka phinde uthi awe avuka phinde uthi awe but nasengihlela phasi nangabona umfanyana omncane nje nenza baba mso ngamshaya mina ngamshaya ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ongazange angithumela abantu abafuna ukungishaya mangenza lezi zinto Jesus Christ but we grow but if you're only taught fire and you're not grounded in how to work when you have fire you'll have a problem. You will not have the turning point I had. I also phela i-turning point ayipheli ubelo kuba nayo the more hamba noJehova. Ngiyangizwa mos. I-turning point ayipheli ubelo kuba nayo the more hamba nobani. Yeah, ubelo kuthena ayibo lokho sekuyabheda manje. Okay, lokho sekuyabheda manje. Okay, look kuba i-turning point after turning point after turning point after turning. That's good. At least siyafunda ke namhlanje. So goodness is important. Goodness is goodness is important. When a person walks in goodness, they become the reflection of the divine nature of God. Psalms 34 verse number 8. Njoba ningibona. Angifuni ukuthi wena unezwe uthuba lokushumayela bese sasizwe scripture sizwa amagundwane. Ukwangizwa ngikhuluma amagundwane manje. La suku igundwane la ka A, la igundwane ka B. Ukwangizwa usho kanjani? Kwakunonogwaja ohlala ehlathini bavela izinja zimlumanga. Kanti zakwethu ngizule ngikhipha ingane wane. Bese ngiyangisola mangisukuma phansi umuntu usimnikeza imic ashumayele nizongisola abantu ngangidayisa amatamatisi ngathi ngidayisa elite tamatisi alibolile manje basala ngiyabona tamatisi alibolile hayi no azilibona azili. Psalms 34 verse number 8 shows that goodness is meant to be expressed through God's people. Ngeke uNkulunkulu asebenzise ingilosi to show his goodness. Usebenzisa thina, usebenzisa through your behavior, your conduct, your manners. You understand? Other people will taste the kindness of God, the kindness and the integrity of God. Kusebenza kwakho. Yazi umuntu asebenze nabajabule athi ngaze ngathola umzalwane. Yazi ukuthi manje ngokusebenza nabantu bathi uyakhola ukuthi hayi ngingake lenza udibane nawe la. Ngiyangizwa mos. Umuntu uzunqamela ukuthola umuntu ongakholwa. Ngomuntu kwakhela indlu kodwa yakhola athi sikufasting ngikhona ukudla. Kodwa ngimkhokhela imali athi ukufasting. Sineyinkonzo manje ngeke ngikhona ukuvela ngizofaka ama tiles. Manje mina ngifuna indlu yami be right ke. But ngilinde sinenkonzo. Bekuyitende ngapha ngizobuya Monday. Sometimes when you're working with Christians bese kubanzima because sometimes i-excellence siyayibalekela. Kanti bantu bomhlaba noma kuthiwa uyadabwa uNtuli siyazi ukuthi indlu siyamazi uyadabwa uhlavuka la idlozi makakha uyabhema futhi ufuna ugwayi uNtuli maka kodwa indlu wenza njani yena uyayishaya futhi baba uyayishaya futhi angeke itsheke baba uyishaya the right kodwa umzalwane ushaya ama-tongues kodwa indlu ime kanje so yachaza. May God help us. Now when now you express when you express goodness and uveza uNkulunkulu nawe kwenzakala kunabantu abaduzana nawe yazi benza njani ba exploiter benza njani yeah when people see that you are good they exploit you, they use you, they ngiyabanje naso sokhathele songalili hayi mina ngeke abakhohlwe manje abakhohlwe. But do you see ukuthi the more you are not doing anything for others, nothing is happening in your life. And that ukuthi the more uthi abakhohlwe ngibenze yabona now we are struggling ngapha. The flow ikule flow. If it's not flowing out, it's not flowing in. If it's not going out, nothing is coming in. Lokho kubambile kuvalele lokho okukhulu okusayo. So when about value 100 rand, 1,000 I says. More value 1,000, 10,000. Uyogcina nje la 10 rand. Uyazibona nje manje kule season lethu hamba kuphi? Kula 10 rand. No abaphumala bapha ini? Yeah. Angithi nawe awufuni flow, imali ihlala kuwe, imali yemalini. So funa iphume ukuzingene namandla emandleni manje ozowabeka. I'm telling you, I bought one ngiyaxolisa ku Angcom ngifuna explain. I bought one of the most expensive perfumes in my collection of perfumes. It's not just one. In my collection of perfumes. And ngiyibekile ini ngibekele ukuthi on special occasion. Benyemo on Monday. Not too special must not ngiyemo. Akazi ngiyoshona nini ngone ngiphume manje. Ngone ngiphume nini? Manje angifaki. Awufakele inkosi ngahamba. A compliments. Hey, my one muka mnandi la ngathulisa nje. Masa yashaya ngiyazi namuthi yenze njani. Thulungatha nazi. So angeke ukuthola lokho kuhle ungakakwenzi lokho kuhle. Excellent nje kusi wena uzitshela ukuthi mina ngiyocleana senkami ekhaya ngiclean akaclean umuntu umuzi wakhe ngeke ngakho yoba uvuka ngakho uyobheda ngoba phela kukakho lapha akakuyobona nje ngayibungu sibakamthangale sibakama yes yonuka idlu hlezi ibolile why ngoba sekubakho lapha banozokutshela ngoba kuwakho noma kuhluphe ngabantu bano 3 umntana ona 3 kodwa somgezi izitsha 3 years that's 3 years mina ngangidlala lana 4 years umntana so busy lapha bamba amabhoda amakhulu asikline bhoda kubona 4 kungangana nga 4 ezibhoda libera lihlula umuntu omdala ibhoda kodwa wena nako amabhoda God help us. Expectation. Once you become generous and once you become good, people will use you. People will. That's God. When generosity is repeated, it will always be taken advantage of. And ngiyazi nokuthi manje inhliziyo yakhe yavaleka ngaze abantu bakuyuse. Nami kuyavaleka lapho abangiyuse. Yavala. Ha? Yini nomeke? Bathi baba le mali uyinikezwe yini? Ukuthi wenze lo msebenzi lo. Musithobo uyawabona labantu baqeda ukudla bangikhulume kabi, bangikhulumise kabi, bangiphathela kabi. Bathatha ama-food parcel bangabuyina sesontweni. One day abo akasiwakho nale mali yabo akusiyona yakho iphethwe uwe njenge government you serve them what account yakho nami ngashala nayo but eyabo what because ngathi nanti ngifuna ukuyikhipha imali kwafa le moto asifile sinone sami sinamandla kwafa yona le ebekumele ngikhiphe ngama-food parcels yile ngilungisa ngayo le moto wathi baba hello ngizama ukukutshela nje ukuthi ngeke ihlale izosebenza ngoba akuyona yakho yalo msebenzi yonke imali uJehova azoyiletha esandleni sakho iyomsebenzi wakhe angeke uyidle zama angifuni kamba mama uzoyidla uyibhashi phela eaccount yakho yangizomoza kodwa ungakhathazeki le ezayo ngeke uyisebenzise noma ngaze kuthiwa i10 rand mangabe yeJehova ngiyamazi baba nina nimazi ngiyanibona uyazilandela ubona nje umntana aqeda ukudla into so alejekile baba eqhineta ekela esibhedlela not of esibhedlela bathi 900 uthi ngeke lento leni ngaphela nje ngabe ngipeyidile lo muntu basi 900 bese uyakhumbula ukuthi 900 beyifuna uJehova ngaba na uJehova yazilandela uJehova wayenza mina I'll teach you this. Listen to God. If there's something you can learn from the message and listen to more especially when it tells you to be good. There are people who say othi na udibana nabo ngisho nase town umothi umfana lo ngimnika imali zolo kodwa uyahamba ekhaya kodwa namhlanje nangila and manje nginesola enough ukuthi ngawuye ekhaya kodwa manje nangila athi ngicela imali unini ngifuna imali sengicela iviki lonke uthi angibona uyicela izolo ngesimali angibona ngisho nduna manje nalo ngicela angibona athi baba mningi ayone yakho yabani khona kunye kwendlulisa ungakubamba uJehova athi kwendlulisa ngiyamtshela namhlanje ngomoya ukholwa nangomoya isonto ungakubamba kuningi lo bese kuyamoseka kuningi lo bese kuyamoshakala mawubambe lokho uJehova athi kwenze njani nikhona kodwa
because kungenzeka so save umuntu from ukuthi abanjwe inkunzi. By doing that, so save omunye usisi ukuthi abanjwe ini. Maybe bangathiwa akathola imali kulelo season leyo, so uzokhipha umesi nomuntu loyo afuna imali kumuntu ngankani. You are saving someone from trauma by giving to that person. By giving to that, I'm just helping you so that you understand. The enemy uses exploitation to make someone regret being good. Esiyaba exploited kona. Ukwathi umuntu akathathe akufuna endlini yakho, kodwa ube wazi ukuthi awufuni ukuthi athathe ini. Angisho ukuthi right now mawusho njalo. But now uthi thatha nje ukuthandile nokufunayo. Kodwa deep down usho ukuthi phela ungayilapha. Umbone aya la. Ubona ukuthi yeah, anyways, thatha kodwa inhliziyo isho ukuthi hayi. Abayithatha lento uyibambe. Ufuna le serious. Angiyithanda le hayi ngizwe ngathi izongithanda futhi ngazi ukuthi bayithatha eish. Exploitation. Exploitation. That's what I've noticed when I'm working with people and I'm being generous and I'm being. That's good. You are encouraged never to grow weary. Galatians chapter number 6 verse number 9. Never to grow weary. Ekhathi nebo missionary home. Labantu abahlale ekhaya. Bakuthiwa kupheke bona sidla into engaka. Maphisa inyama. Bakuthiwa kupheke bona. Uzuyibuza ukuthi yini mina ngihlezi ngipheka. Angithi yazi ukuthi umndeni omkhulu kwenziwa kanjani. Inyama iyabekwa ngisho. And yaslinga le kaliwe iyaslinga. Kodwa makupheka laba sithole ngaka. Kodwa makupheka wena ngithole ngaka. Kodwa makupheka bona. And makupheka bona anidli nonke. Bona badla ngaphandle. Bathe kuyashisa. Angithi inyama uyifake phase papa. Yeah, it's okay. The Bible does not make sense of meswele manje. Khona manje meswele manje. But bona manga komba bona. Ungamanga. Meswele in mina manje. No, even Saturday will be giving food parcels. Why? I'm meswele. Why? Kwenza kanjani? It's because ngilalela ubaba. Ngilalela ubani? Ubaba, uyabona wenza okubi kulo muntu okwenzela okuhle. Olimala uwe hayi yena because uJehova uprovidile for that person ukuze asize wena sokomba ukuthi uhlakaniphile kanti isiwula ubani. That's good. Ngoba mangabe benginako ngacabanga wena why wena mase unikeza ithuba lokuthi ureceive lonikezwe bese uyajona untshontsha wabe kuvela kwakho. Ngumlasakhula sigeza imoto manje sasibiza ukuthi imali yomdlazi imali yani yabona imali ehlala emotweni yabona imali yomdlazi baba akavela athi akunenkinga bekuyimali yokukhera le elithethela angazi thethe ubani kodwa nje bekuyimali yenilani lena okay besimfuna sesimthole le othethe funa sesimthola ngoba sizokhela kanjani kulevile baleni thathela imali yokukhera mangabe nithi nanimazi aniyazi tishonepi it's okay and carry living ay baba sokufuna sesikuthole. Continue to be good, continue to be. That's good. Let's end with this. Goodness is generosity of spirit that seeks the welfare of others. So when I'm being generous and I'm being good, I'm not seeking the welfare for myself. I'm seeking the welfare of ngenzela ukuthi abanye baphatheke kahle. Ngenzela ukuthi abanye baphatheke. You see, the more if singagrivile ukuthi sisiza abantu abanganani singakhomba abantu ungabona ukuthi sibhizi kanganani namhlabeni. Uyazi ukuthi awunye ngufundile ukuthi when you're doing good ungafuna ukubukwa futhi ungafuna ukubona. Even when you're doing good, even when you're doing good for the pastor, lokho kufanele ngifundise kona. Even when you're doing good for the yeah, even if you're doing good for the prophet, ungahamba ukhuluma. Uyamazi umfundisi wakho ukuthi njani. Mina ngeza nje ukuthi sibantu sebayazi ukuthi isudu yami ebengithandazela ngayo abantu bawe wena ithengwe uwe wena sobatshelile ukuthi uwathenge kululeka ngigcoka kanye uyibona igqoko ngomunye. That's how I am because angithi mina nawe, you understand? Mina nawe siyazi ukuthi wongisize umfundisi usafana vele anjani so batshelana manje abantu umuntu akuthengela into wathi nosiyigqokela wathi angiphindeke ngikuthengele vele kodwa angakuthengele bengafuna ukubukisa ngawo nakhona ukwenza into ekutheni nje usuke nje wahlala phansi uyabona ngoba sowujabulile phela kusemcimbini wahlala phansi angiphinde ukuthenga irogo wonihlala ngalo phansi uhle phezu kwesitina nje manje kodwa angiphinde ukuthenga vele bona bayanga ngithekela lo muntu ngiyaxolisa abazali ngiyaxolisa abazali ngoba magama abazali lawo more especially makunabantu esibazali bayahlazisana makunabantu phinde ngithengele cheese nina phinde ngathi maphara sayiphelile cheese landlini siyiphelile phinde ngithengele kunabangani bakhe besonto hayi ma 1k Galatians 6 verse number 10 reveals that goodness expands outwardly. As although it grows inwardly, it expands outwardly. How does it expand outwardly? It expands to bless people. When you're good, you work on this thing you bless about. You become a blessing to people. Number 2, you uplift others. They're good, you are good, but ukuphakama komunye umuntu kuyakulimaza. Ukusetshenzwa komuntu esontweni, omunye umuntu esontweni kuyakulimaza. You're not good. You're not good. Yeah, uplift others. And then you serve people. You serve. As my man ngibaka kwezinye indawo nyamangala. Mina nginenkinga noba uAsha. Ngumkhaza kabi kuba uAsha ngoba ngaphuma namanamba bonke abantu abalanga phakathi. I'm telling you, bayangazi kwendlula lo muntu olapha phambili mangathi. I enjoy serving people. Ungahlala la mama. Kodwa ubani wena? Hayibo, ayihlala la mama. Ah okay, hlala la. Ubani Malika. Bonke sengiyabazi. Nakumenyezela phambili ukuthi kudingeka maybe uney sengiyamazi mina unethi ngimthola. When you are serving people, you know them better than the one who's standing in the front. So it means you are at the advantage because you are known by everyone. But Tina, asifuna ukuba known, sifuna ukuba seen. That's the problem. Tina inkinga asifuna ukuba seen. Mina ngifuna ukuba known by. Yazi kumnandi abantu bakhulume ngawo bathi uyazi ungiphethe kahle. Na ungafika ufune uLija kulela sonto lelo. Mangafika ufika uMalika kulela sonto lelo. Mangafika ufika Inos, nyama. Wadibano Inos, I'm telling you. Ngoba mnandi. That's what we want more than everything. That is why lokuba generous ukusiza la. Ukantu wena mase kuvuleka isikhala somsebenzi lo muntu adiscover ukuthi wena usebenza ngeke afanye umsebenzi. Ngawathi niyazibambelela. Ngifuna ukubamba imic. Because mawumela ijajwa yonke into oyishoyo. Bekathi nje makathi ukuqala kashadi uthi nje makathi mncane phela umuntu okhuluma nathi kanje yabona mawumela understand upreacher lento yakhe iyajajwa kakhulu kanti ngeke akujaje umuntu umhlalise kahle phansi umhlalisela noma athi umbeke esitulweni esirong niyazi ukuthi kusasa nizokhona ukuyilungisa oshumayelayo umshawushela ibhoda lezehotela ufuna afaka unye kusasa noma zama ukulungisa lokwayizolo uyamosha bese sendlulile thine lapho wayena sibuyisele umuntu mina bese ngedlulile la shona nje sisingedlulisa kunamanga kupakelene kula kodwa uthi siyedlulisa ngoba ubuyele kuko ake ngidlulisi. May God help us. May God help us. What's the attack hypocrisy around you? Once awema unemali wena ubaza abantu mina ngidiscover manje ukuthi ukhona umzala wagogo wa aunt manje beboza umfowethu discover manje mina nehlobo engazazi mina wadla mina kodwa ngasamgedi manje wohlala ye inkosi mina yelalela yamazi mina uyazi ubaba kungangifundana unamanga akayanga nasesikoleni ubaba wafunda naye kuphiye wena ngoba ngafundanga wamba wathanda ukulusa yenza ukuthi impilo njani hypocrisy around you abantu abathuza now they become hypocrites kodwa umunye umbona ukuthi akalambanga lo usile kodwa umuntu siyafa indlala enakhohle umuntu ukhuluma nomprofeti. The person is talking to a prophet but they are lying. Man of God, for the whole month, spend months. Nizume mina, live from Oka, ngibona ikoti, ngibona ama chips, ngibona ibaba. Kodwa uthi nabephila. Sengiyabuza mina, hayi mose ngibona ikota la. Hayi mfundisi nje kwangasindi etheni, yinto nje encane, nakhona nje bangithi ungihlephelela ngoba phela ngase ngilamba. Ha, uthona bophila ngamanzi. So lo singene kulonyaka imali angikaze ngayireceive ya hypocrites because you are a provider. They are hypocrites because you are what? If you watch the I don't know what it's called, the program called I Blew It. Angifuni ubuke lo muntu ophela imali yakhe. Ngikulalela abaladuzana naye. Abakho abantu engibahalela ngo right. Njengalabo abaduzana naye. Because bebamshayela izandla makathela. Kodwa manje ngoba seactive bese umtshela thina banamanga. Kazi umuntu bamtshela ukuthi akangaspendi aspenda kubo. People will tell you stop spending when you spend on yourself. But if you involve them in your spending, bashaya izandla, Rodman. But if you stop spending on them, Rodman go wena. Yasijena lo phakeme lo. If you build abakuzwa, kodwa mabathi bona yazi ngifuna nje ukufaka amawindi lapha kami. Ubanikeza imali, akushayela izandla. Kodwa wena uthi ufuna ukufaka amawindi, yeke lento yamawindi. Unemali wena. Ayeke nemali. Yophela nawe le mali. Awuvula amehlo. Hypocrisy around you. And the hypocrisy goes as far as the leaders is concerned. Leaders are concerned. Awona nje makuthi uyasebenza ekhaya bese uya emakhaya uma wakho lethe uhlala emakhaya uyabona ukuthi abazali bahle bama hypocrites, more especially wena mangabe uhlala ekhaya bese kusuka uKelvin eMpumalanga uye ekhaya. Makafika uKelvin umama ebekakwate manje lo ebekabula amadolo manje athambo bekabhlungu sasestofini bekungenamali yomshibo manje. Kodwa manje hayi nadani inkukhu lapha kama msithole nilethe imali uyithatha apha hayi esikole kunemanga kodwa kunemali ekhishwa. Once you become generous you will see hypocrisy even in leaders, even in friends are worse. Friends are worse. But that doesn't stop you. That doesn't stop you. That's God. Even communities can tempt someone to abandon their moral integrity because they are generous. Because they are generous. Yes. You must remain generous, kind. Irregardless of what they are doing to us, you must remain kind. I mean, I've told you more than once, listen. Ukuthi sitanezela abantu basebenze bese babona ithombe zabanye abafundisi. Nakumavinda bayabafundisa. Bathandaza inkingi. Uthi nomthandazo lo ufunda kimi. Bona zaguqula nyawo liyi1. Likloma sivra hatama ngilo. Lo kwakufunda kimi. Thetha ngazo uyifunda la ekhona. Batala bashaya amathangi bazibamshayela izandla. Bangikaza masibaqala ukungikuthuza. Noma ngidibana nabo ngisho laphola ngibashayela ihudu bafundisa. Ngoba bangibusiza. Ngoba ningaze niphakame nithi spirit time prayer mfundisi awunankinga ukushona nikhona. Anifika kwabanye anohumbule ngibuye ngapha sengishaka kancane sengihlale lemuva. You will leave, we will not chase you. We try chasing people. Savela kupola news. Angazi bangifuna mina, angazi bangifunani, angazi basazaba qosha abagijimisa abantu sona babuye sizama ukuncenga. Basavela kupola news siyatrenda sincenga abantu ababuye esontweni. Sincengela impilo yabo. Sibabona ukuthi bayalahleka manje. Siyatrenda. Siyayeka manje uhamba. Sibekile. Imbola lelo yakhona bazokufaka yona. Ubuye ngapha. Ubuye ngapha. Hey ngiyena mnandi yazi. Nibuye nilume. Yeni. Masidela spread sumona kuqala. Yeah. So right ila ngaphezulu manje. La ngabe khona sonjani? And amongst all other pastors I'll tell you the truth. Mina zokuthi things angeke ngikugijimisa. Because mina ngiyazi into engiyifaka kuwe. Lento engihlanyele kuwe ngiyazi ukuthi ayikho contaminated. Ayikho corrupt. Mawufika ubamba into ebhedayo. Uzohlala ukuthi hayi kumbe kunamhlanje. Maybe ngokwanamhlanje. Uphinde uqhube uhlale ukuthi angibuyele futhi. Uthi hayi banikeze oromo. Kusukume lo khona. Umuzwa afakazela le ndavu nawe ibona ukuthi iBrianna phela. Uzo naye efakazela bese uthi yazi ne esondeni kodwa basona namhlanje ozobe kuphuma ngo8 angiye khona. Ngaka abanye sithi sisakhona babona bathi futhi sabangena babuya kwenye indawo. Ngosi noma ungayidli KFC mawufika endlini yakuhlala ngalivulibhoda noma elapha ngubhoda lapha office ne uhlala phansi KFC udle I'm telling you 21 seat kodwa mawufika endlini akazi kwenzakalani ngathi ungavula noma ungakhaka yiwani nje uzobe benibekeni la ukudla kwasekhaya ngokukhumbula